Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python tuple collection, which is a sequence data type. So first of all, what is this tuple collection in Python programming? So coming to tuple, so tuple is an ordered collection of elements, and tuple provides indexes to collection of elements same like list. Tuple is immutable, which means original data cannot be updated or deleted once it is initialized. And tuple is capable of storing same type of data as well as different type of data. And tuple values are given in circle brackets and separated with commas. Right. So let us take one small example for this using circle brackets. So tuple 1, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. So this is same type of data. Tuple 2, 1001, psi 6.2, true. This is collection of different type of data. Tuple 3, I can also take without circle brackets, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So here circle brackets are not compulsory, but it is advisable to use it. And next, tuple is a read-only version of list because it is immutable. Original data cannot be modified once it is initialized. Now we can create an empty tuple using tuple 1 empty circle brackets, and we can create a tuple with single element using comma at the last. For example, tuple 1, 11, comma. If you take something like tuple 1 is circle brackets 11, then it will become integer data type because single element circle parentheses are considered to be mathematical expression. So it will become a integer data type value. It will not become a tuple. So we can also get type of a tuple using getting type of a tuple using type function. Example, type of tuple 1. Right, so let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Python tuple example 1. So program to demo Python tuples. So take a new page. First write comments at the beginning of the program. So let us take tuple 1 circle brackets 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. So print tuple 1 and type of tuple 1. Let us execute till here. So in this case, we are taking a tuple with same type of values, all integer collection of values. Come to the prompt where you have saved this and then run it. Py Python tuple example 1. So 11, 22, 33, 44, 55 in circle brackets. It is of type tuple class because in Python everything is a object. Second case, tuple 2. So this is collection of different type of data, circle parenthesis 1001, psi 6.2, true, integer, string, float, boolean. So print tuple 2, type of tuple 2. So save it and run. So this is collection of different type of values in a tuple in circle brackets. So this is of type tuple class. Next, one more example. without circle brackets. So tuple 3, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, print tuple 3, type of tuple 3. So save it and then run it. So tuple 3, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So circle brackets are given automatically, though we did not take it. It is of type tuple class. Next, let us take empty tuple with empty circle parenthesis or brackets, print tuple 4, type of tuple 4. So save it and run. Empty tuple with only circle parenthesis, it is of type class tuple. Next, tuple 5 with only single element. For example, I will take only single element as 11. So it will become a mathematical expression but not a tuple. So 11. So 11 will be stored in tuple 5. Print tuple 5, type of tuple 5. It is no longer a tuple, it is a integer variable. So 11 is the value, though we have taken circle brackets, and it is of type class int. So instead of giving single value, put comma. Now it will make it as a tuple. So 11 comma is a tuple. It is of type class tuple. Next, let us try to modify tuple value. So tuple 1 of 0. So tuple 1 of 0 means first index value 11. I'm trying to modify it as 111. So modification is not possible. We will get the type error because tuple is immutable. So tuple does not support item assignment. We got the type error, right? So this is how we are supposed to work with tuple, a sequencer data type in Python collections. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.